Want to get Wispr Flow Pro completely free? In this video, I'll show you an official Wispr Flow offer that can unlock Pro without paying, step by step. No cracked, no tricks, just the legitimate offer. And the best part? You can claim it in just a few simple steps. Let's see how you can get it before the offer ends.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices, with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
If you are new to my YouTube channel, then just visit my YouTube channel homepage and you will find awesome useful content. Here you can see I already created 2 extensions for create bulk image in one click, and this extension is for Gemini, and this video is about ChatGPT bulk image generator. So if you are interested to watch this type of video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. For the Wispr Flow, just go to wisprflow.ai website and click on this. Here you can see get started on Windows. Now we need to sign up our account. You can use continue with Google, Apple, Microsoft. I will choose this continue with Google. Now here you can see the Wispr Flow exe file application is downloaded, but I don't want to install it. After that, simply click on this pricing page, go to pricing page and choose this monthly plan. Then click on this get started. And here you can see $50 per month. Then choose this, click on this add promotional code, then paste this. I will give this promotional code in this video description and a comment box also, or you can also see in video. After that, simply click on this apply button, and here you can see total due today $0. Now simply click on this card, add your card detail. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. After add your card detail and card holder name, simply click on this start. And here you can see processing successfully purchased. Now you can enjoy Wispr Flow Pro in completely free. And if you don't want to use your card detail, then just join my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Vivas Malik YouTube channel for simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell icon so you never miss an update. And for even better deal, detailed guide, and make sure visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.